Savina, what is Peter doing?
He's trying to swallow a whole tablespoon of cinnamon. Which
I'm not trying to.
I'm gonna do it.
He's going to.
Yeah,
Wait a second.
What? I'm not making it mounting.
Yeah, I'm making it like a Himalayan.
Okay, that would be over there. All right, man.
Just shake it. No, shake it back smooth so you see that it's level.
All right, there you go.
Oh, I can put a little more on it than that.
All right, well, I mean, if you succeed with this test.
All right, well, this is just cinnamon. You put it on your. You put it on your local, I guess, waffle and/or French toast. Oh, it depends. And this is how it comes down.
You're smart, 'cause I'm taking